Hello guys, we done this video before. It's about how to make your PC run faster and stop the freezing. So now we're gonna continue and give you few more steps you have to do it to make your PC look faster. So let's start. Go to Task Messenger by click on Ctrl Alt and A. On Task Messenger, go to Startup, and you have to disable all the applications you don't want to use it, like Game Ranger. I'm not always use it, so I'm just gonna do it disable. And when I wanted to open this application, I'm just gonna manual open it, so it's not gonna be enabled without my permission. So that's make my PC run faster because less apps it's working at the same time. And go to processor, you're gonna see what application they already always open here. You can just in task any one of them, and if your PC have any viruses, so that's gonna make it run slower. So I give you the best on this video. I'm gonna give you the best application for this to clean your computer from viruses, and it's completely free. Click here, download free edition. But before you go into any websites, go to make sure it's the official sites, like the name is on official. Click on it and download the free edition and click start. Then clean your PC and delete any viruses. And after you done that, go to setting, apps, and delete it from here. And you can always download it and delete it when you need it. So hopefully this more steps help you to make your PC run faster. If you enjoyed and if this video help you, please hit like button and subscribe the channel. See you in next video.